YouTube, what up? Welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. I am Purry, and today I want to talk about, I got a super dope comment from Noah. Shout out to Noah. He was wondering if it's best to start with post-construction or something like painting. Here's my suggestion. Do both. You can do both. There's nothing that says you cannot do both. Here's why. When you're on these new job sites and you're bidding, you can bid on painting too. Now, it's painting more of a combat type of sport? Yes, because you got to think about it. You're bidding against a lot of these companies that already have, I don't know how to put it, subcontractors that'll do it for cheap, right? I'm not saying it's right. I think everybody needs to be paid their worth. Y'all know how I'm coming. But sometimes these companies, they will straight up underbid jobs. But that doesn't mean you can't win some of them. Now, on these smaller type of developments and stuff, like, where you have a private street where maybe they're building a couple townhomes. Perfect. So many times I've seen painters have their wives in there cleaning these homes post-construction. So why can't you start both? Also, a major tip. The last couple words in my business name is cleaning services. Services allows me to offer you more than one thing. If you have a problem, I'm already inside. Why wouldn't I offer you the solution? Whether I got to go find it, whether I already have it in-house or whatever. So that's another tip. Don't limit yourself to just one thing. Even if you have to put and more or services or all in one, whatever you have, whatever you come up with your own wordplay, do that. Now, going the next door route, the same, do both. When you're already in someone's home, cleaning their home, I'm going to tell you the top 2 services I've been able to offer. Organization, aka decluttering, and painting. Now, I also do interior design, but that's a whole nother thing. Some people's price point allows me to know which services I should offer them, right? Pulling up to your home allows me to know which services I should offer you, which ones you're more than likely going to go with. I can know that just off pulling up. So, that's another thing. You're already in there cleaning. Yeah, we do decluttering and organization. What's your budget? You can do some of these things for as little as $250 if you know where to shop to get the right containers to make shit look more organized and less messy. And then painting. Painting is really, really simple, because if they're very talkative, they're going to talk to you. You're going to have conversation with them, and that's when you're like, oh, I really like where you're going with this room. Or they're going to say, oh, well, I had ideas of doing this or doing that, but such and so happened, this came up, I was just never able to complete it. Oh, well, we offer painting services as well. Really? Yeah. From that, you can get into wall design, you can get into light handyman services, hole repairing walls. Patching holes is big business. And they got 2 different ways that they patch these holes, man, and they make a lot of money. Sometimes hole patching is $100. And the fucking materials are like $3. Fuck, they already got it, so it's free after a certain one job. Even at the price of drywall spackle today. So yeah, you can offer multiple services. So my suggestion would be this. If you're going to start a service business that involves you dealing with people directly, offer more than one service. So give yourself the opportunity to win. Give yourself the opportunity to extract more cash once you're already in the door. Like, you're already in the door. Fuck it. Start pressure washing too. All right? Signing off, man. Y'all get busy, get active.